How to get an invoice from Target. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get an invoice from Target. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to get an invoice from Target, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Access your Target account. Step 2. Select orders to locate your order. Step 3. Select view orders to find the order details. Step 4. Select receipts and invoices. Step 5. For returns, present the barcode on your mobile device to guest services or select print receipts. Step 6. To print a gift receipt, select print gift receipt. Step 7. To review a detailed copy of your transaction, select view detailed invoices. So that's how you can get an invoice from Target. That's all for this video.